Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lesson 2 of Madinah Reader Book 1 in English. If you watched the previous videos and you learned from them, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Today we are going to start with lesson 2, which is about dhalika. Dhalika means that. In the previous lesson, we covered hada, which means this. Now, dhalika is that. Samiha, could you please begin reading?
Yes. ذلك, that. ما ذلك, what is that? ذلك نجم, that is a star.
Very good. Remember how we said in the previous lesson that there is no word for is? The is invisible. So we have to put an is here. When we translate, we have to say that is a star. And where do we get the word from? There's no word for either, right? Where do we get that it's a star?
From the tanween.
From this tanween. Very good. So this tanween tells us that it's a star. So very good. So then we translate this sentence to ذَلِكَ نَجْمٌ. That is a star. Okay? The next one.
هذا مسجد وذلك بيت. This is a masjid and that is a house.
Good. Over here.
هذا حصان وذلك حمار. This is a horse and that is a donkey.
Very good. So anything that's farther, anything that is farther away is going to be that. Anything that's close to is this, هذا. Okay? Can you please read this one?
Okay. Yes. أذلك كلب? Is that a dog? لا, هذا قط. That's not أذلك. لا, ذلك قط. No, that is a cat.
So can you please remind me what is this alif here for?
Is the alif is for a question.
Yes, so when you add the alif, it brings a question into the sentence. Is that a dog? And the answer is no, that's a cat. Okay, what about here?
ما ذلك? ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك سرير. That is a bed.
Very good. Okay, how about this?
من هذا ومن ذلك? Who is this and who is that? هذا مدرس وذلك إمام.
Very good.
This is a teacher and that is an imam.
Good. So remember in the last lesson, we did ma and man. Can you please remind me what ma means?
Ma means what and man means who.
Very good. So I need you to remember all of these words and this vocabulary, okay? So man is who?
Yes.
Who is this? Who is this? The one that's closer. And who is that? That is farther away. So this is a teacher and that is an imam. Okay. What about here?
ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك حجر. That is a rock.
So hajarun is a new word for us, okay? Hajarun means rock. Okay.
Okay. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. This is sugar and that is milk.
Good. So these are some more new words. Sukkarun is easy to remember. It sounds a lot like sugar, doesn't it? Sukkar, sugar. So that's going to be easy to remember. This is sugar and that is milk. Now we are at the Tamarin, which are the exercises. Can you please read?
واكتب. Read and write. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. This is sugar and that is milk. من ذلك? Who is that? ذلك إمام. That is an imam.
Very good.
أذلك قط? Is that a cat? لا ذلك كلب. No, that is a dog. ما هذا? What is this? هذا حجر. This is a rock.
Very good. So this is read and write. So I need you to write this down when you are reviewing, okay? So now,
Yes.
al-kalimat al-jadidat. This means new words. So what are some of the new words that we learned today?
إمام حجر سكر لبن.
Very good. What does sukkarun mean? The picture is there to help you.
سكر is sugar. سكر is sugar. لبن is milk.
Sugar, very good. What is labanun?
Milk.
Okay. Imamun?
Imamun is imam.
Yeah, imam is the person who
And hajarun is
leads the prayer at the masjid, right? You can say priest, maybe.
And that is called
Or
imam.
you can just say imam, okay? And hajarun is?
Okay. Yes. Rock.
Okay, very good. So now we're at the points to remember. This is where we are going to summarize everything we learned in this lesson. So in this lesson, we learned the use of dhalika, which means that, and wa, which means and, okay? So this is a house and that is a mosque. That's what we learned. In the previous lesson, we did hada. Now we did dhalika. So what are some important notes? Just like hada, dhalika is pronounced dhalika with an alif, right? But when it's written, there's no alif. This is the right way to, this is the correct way to write it. Dhalika, without an alif, okay? But when we pronounce it like this. We say dhalika, not dhalika, dhalika. Okay, the word wow is written close to the following word. And what does wow mean? It means and. Okay, and here are the vocabulary words that we learned in this lesson. Sukkarun is sugar, labanun milk, imamun is imam, and hajarun is stone or rock. Okay, so this was a very nice and short lesson, and it helped us review what we did in the previous lesson as well, and we learned some new words. Okay, inshallah, we will do lesson 3 in the following video. And if you learned from this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Samiha, could you please read the closing dua?
سبحانك اللهم سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.
Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.